picture this. You're scrolling through the internet and boom, you find a sketchy ad that promises you'll make $10,000 in a week if you just pay a small fee to unlock the secret. But let me tell you something, folks. If it sounds too good to be true, probably is. So, how do you make honest money online without falling for scams? Well, that's exactly what we're going to show you today. Welcome back to Striverz Money, the channel that is all about making your wallet fatter the smart way. Hit that like button and subscribe to join our community. In today's video, we're going to unveil the top 5 strategies to make honest money online, and guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing guru. These are tried and true methods that real people like you and me use every day. Ready to ditch those scams and start earning legit cash? Let's dive in. Tip 1. Freelancing, where your skills equal dollar bills. Have a knack for writing, graphic design, or maybe you're a programming whiz. Whatever your talent, there's a huge market out there for freelancers. Start by creating profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Focus on your strengths, build a solid portfolio, and watch the clients roll in. Remember, the key is to under-promise and over-deliver. Tip 2. Online surveys. Your opinion matters, and companies will pay for it. Sure, you won't become a millionaire overnight, but taking surveys can add some extra cash to your bank account. Sign up for reputable sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Avoid scams by sticking to platforms that don't ask for upfront payments, and make sure that they have a solid track record. Tip 3. Affiliate marketing, the art of selling other people's products for a sweet commission. Do you have a blog or social media following? You can earn money by recommending products that you believe in. Join popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction, and start promoting. Remember, be genuine and promote products that fit your audience's. Tip 4. Online tutoring, helping others learn while earning some dough. Are you a math whiz or a grammar guru? Why not teach others and make some money in the process? Platforms like VipKid, Wizant, and Tutor.com offer flexible tutoring opportunities. Set your own hours, teach subjects that you're passionate about, and watch your income grow. Tip 5. Selling digital products. Create one, profit forever. Ebooks, online courses, and stock photos are just a few examples of digital products that you can create and sell online. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it easy to sell your digital products. The best part? You can create the product once, and it can generate income for you over and over again. Here you've got 5 legit ways to make honest money online without falling for scams or get-rich schemes. Remember, building a sustainable online income takes time and effort, so be patient and stay committed. Now it's your time to take action. And check out the related links in the description, and make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.